Hey guys, welcome back to another what I eat in a day gluten-free. If you guys have been watching these videos and you like them, you're gluten-free, you're starting your diet, make sure you guys subscribe. I would love to have you here, and you will also get notified every time I upload a video. And I've been doing more gluten-free videos recently, and I do, you know, fashion and lifestyle, but gluten-free is working its way up there as a top category for this channel. So I'm really glad you guys are loving them. Food is a huge part of my life. It's actually like, I realized just today that, well, I think I've realized it before if I'm honest, but I was thinking about it today, just how much my life revolves around food. And I think part of that is my love for food, but also because of my allergy, it's just kind of sparked this new creativity in me where I have to try new things, try out new recipes, you know, just really get creative. And I just think it's so fun. And I really love sharing with you guys the ways that you can look at this in a positive light rather than seeing something like an allergy as a negative thing. I think you really have an opportunity to, you know, change your life for the better. So I hope I can inspire you guys in some way. If you are gluten-free or if you're starting your diet, leave a comment below. Let me know how it's going. I love chatting with you guys. We all have this instant connection when we have an allergy, and I just love hearing from you. So say hi in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get into it. So after my coffee, I'm having this productivity shot from Magic Mind, and I'm so excited because they're actually collaborating with me on today's video. I got to try them out for 3 days before deciding to share it with you guys, and let me tell you, those 3 days were the best work days that I've had in so long. So I've been drinking it ever since, and now I can confidently recommend it to you guys. These genuinely have helped with my productivity and my focus. I feel like I've been having such great work days whenever I start my day with this, and it does make me feel really happy. I know it says that on the bottle, but no joke, I'm in the best mood on the days that I drink these. It's actually crazy, and I didn't even really realize it until there would be a day that I didn't drink it, like maybe a weekend or something, and I was like, wow, those actually do make me feel really amazing. And this small shot is filled with so many amazing ingredients: ashwagandha, lion's mane mushroom, cordyceps mushroom, L-theanine, just to name a few, and all of those help productivity. They bring clarity and focus. The nootropics in this shot are actually like a natural Adderall, so if you guys feel like you need help sticking to one project, remaining focused at work, or just with whatever you're doing at school or anything like that, I think this would really help you, because it definitely has helped me. I do have a code for you guys. It's Jamie20 for 20% off, which is amazing. And they even have a money back guarantee, which I think speaks for itself. If you try it, please let me know. I'm going to continue to use it, and I'm going to buy more with my code too. So I'm going to have everything linked below for you guys. Shout out to Magic Mind for fueling this day and getting me going. I'm ready to work now. So my niece was actually here for breakfast, and she requested mushroom toast, which I love. So I'm just sauteing some mushrooms and making some egg. This is the layering situation: toast, mushroom, egg, salt and pepper, a little bit of parsley, and it's delicious. This is the gluten-free heritage bread from Canyon Bakehouse. One of the best breads from the grocery store, in my opinion. You have to get the heritage kind, not the original Canyon Bakehouse. Trust me. I know this doesn't really count as eating, but I cannot emphasize enough how much water I drink during the day. Like, this Yeti gets filled up so many times with ice water. I think it tastes so good. Like, if you guys are struggling to drink water, get a nice cup or a water bottle. I swear it makes water taste even better. I'm a big water drinker already, but I'm just like addicted to it when it's in something like this. It's my emotional support water bottle. Unrelated, but my case is from Casetify. If you guys are interested in it, I'm gonna link it below. It's so cute, and it just makes me happy every time I see it. It's like a lucky little case. I love it. And for lunch, we're eating outside because I just love eating outdoors in the summer. I work from home, so this just boosts my mood, being out in the sunshine and eating by my pool. I'm actually doing leftovers, which I love, and this is a very normal reality for me. I always make extra dinner so that I can have some lunches throughout the week. This is my one-pan chicken and potato skillet. I'm just eating it with some salad, and I do have the recipe if you guys wanted to make it. It's really easy and so delicious. The potatoes go on the bottom layer and the chicken goes on top, so the potatoes get super soft and they get all the flavors from the chicken, and everything just tastes amazing together. And please excuse my shirt that looks so worn out, but you know, I work from home, so sometimes this is what it looks like. So I got all this eggplant from one of my friends. She got it from her in-laws garden and I want to use it up before it goes bad. So I have this dip I've been wanting to make. It's the Elefante whipped eggplant dip. It's kind of like a copycat recipe, basically like baba ganoush, but instead it has creme fraiche in it rather than tahini. So this is what it looks like. It's actually really tasty. It does remind me of hummus, and I haven't cooked with eggplant too much. This kind of has inspired me to do something more with it. I want to, you know, make some more recipes and I will keep you guys posted. But this is the best pita bread for my gluten-free girlies. It's the Be Free brand. They have so many amazing products. And if you guys happen upon it at your grocery store, I so suggest you get it. It's delicious and has just made my life better because now I can enjoy it with hummus, with whipped eggplant dip, and I just heat them up in the oven for a little bit, get them nice and toasty, and they're delicious. For dinner, I'm making turkey chili, which is one of my favorites. It's kind of a staple for me in the fall and winter, but I was really craving it randomly, and I guess chili can be a summer thing. Like, you think of like chili cook-offs. I don't know why I've always like set it as a fall meal, but it sounded so good, so that's what I'm making tonight. I will post a recipe for you guys. I'll put it at the end of this so you can screenshot. It's such a hearty, comforting meal, and I like to make a ton of it because I'll give a few Tupperwares to friends or, you know, whoever, and I also love to have it to eat throughout the week because it just tastes better and better each day. It's just a great meal to have in the fridge. I topped it with some sour cream, some cheese, parsley. Green onions are also great. I just didn't have any. I'm gonna have it with some tortilla chips, and that is my meal. In the fall, I love to make it with cornbread, but I wanted a lighter meal tonight and it totally hit the spot. So that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and got some meal and snack ideas. I am gonna link my gluten-free playlist below or on my end screen somewhere here, so you guys can check out more videos just like this one in case you are new. I have many what I eat in a days, many what I eat in a week, and just a whole video about my gluten-free journey if you guys are interested in hearing a little bit more about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out Magic Mind. I'm seriously loving these little shots. I'm actually trying to figure out how I can have these fully stocked 24/7 in my house because I feel amazing and I just feel like I have so much energy. So I'll have that linked below as well as my coupon. It's just Jamie20 for 20% off, which is an amazing deal and I will be using it myself. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.